Hello everybody, this is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. We appreciate positive comments and a subscription to the channel. Also, remember a thumbs up. Today we are looking at the BlitzWolf Power Pack, the PF2. This is 10,000 milliamps, and inside the box we have a user manual, a cord, a Type-C cord, and the 10,000 milliamp power bank. It's a very solid feeling product, and it also has the Qualcomm QuickCharge 3.0. So guess what? You get up to 75% faster charging when you use this. So you are never out of power, and you always have it there when you need it. Here is your in and out, and here is the power button. And the power button also shows you the charge. So this looks like it's about halfway charged out of the box. And that's it. It's a pretty handy little device. It's 10,000 milliamps. This is from BlitzWolf. This is a Type-C power bank, model BW PF2.